For the last 10 years, I've been involved in the drone industry, from everything from field work, working for civil engineering and civil surveying companies, to working for distributors, to working for UAS manufacturers, and now I'm working for Microdrones, and ultimately wanting to bring my expertise to this product offering and being able to share that passion and experience with the customers. I came to this company due to my passion for the product. For the last year and a half, I've sold Microdrones and GeoQ systems, and I really have developed a passion not only for the product, but for the customers that the product helps at the end of the day. First and foremost, the EasyOne really excites me because of its portability and its small form factor. Nothing can compare to being able to have an integrated solution, especially a Lidar solution, and tote with you into the field. I would say the most unique element of the EasyOne is it's fully self-contained. It's manufactured by one company. On top of it being compact, it's also robust. It has an advanced battery system. It also offers a high-speed performance. It's capable of flying at 12 meters a second. That's a huge advantage as far as time savings in the field. Then it also offers a very impressive payload capacity. It's a game changer moving forward for the integrated drone LiDAR space. I think it's going to offer a lot of customization as far as workflows go for people. And I think creativity is another thing. I think you can be as creative as far as your imagination will allow you for the different types of projects you can approach.